So, I don't make very many YouTube videos on this channel much, but I figured I'd make a little something on my 2002 Yz125, which if you've seen the channel, you've probably seen at least me ride this bike. I don't think there's actually anybody who's seen the bike like this, but basically I have some stuff I can do to it today and figured why not do a little YouTube video out of it. So what I'll do is I'll just cut to the chase. I'll get some stuff cleaned off of here and then I'll start with the video.